Today I'm taking you to Tomioka Silk Mill, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Japan. In this video, I will take you through how to get there from Tokyo and what you can see at the site.
Hello, good morning. I'm heading to Tokyo Station. Today I'm going to go to Gunma Prefecture and I will have a 3-day, 2-night holiday over there. It's going to be very fun.
It's easy to visit a day trip from Tokyo using public transportation. Although you can take Shinkansen to Takasaki, this time I decided to travel by local train. The journey takes about 2 hours.
I think Tokyo Station is just a giant, congested, crowded. Many people are here today to enjoy their holidays. And I am heading to the platform 7 to take a local train down the port and somewhere in Gunma, Utsunomiya, Takasaki maybe. Okay, let me just go there.
At the Tokyo Station, headed to platform 7 and take Ueno Tokyo line toward Takasaki. The electronic display board shows the train's destination and departure time, so it's easy to find the right one. The orange-colored train heads towards Gunma and Tochigi, but be careful. Even train that looks the same can branch off onto different lines. The Takasaki line is a commuter train, so it can get extremely crowded, even on weekends.
Hey, now I'm at the JR Takasaki station. It took about 2 hours from Tokyo station and it was a very tiring process to be here using the local train, and then I was almost standing for 2 hours. It's very tiring. So from here I will go to Tomioka Silk Mill and I will take another local train to get there.
Transfer at Takasaki station. The nearest station to Tomioka Silk Mill is Joshu-Tomioka, which is operated by a small private railway company called Joshin Dentetsu. Once you arrive at Takasaki station, follow the sign to the platform for the Joshu Dentetsu line.
This station is not necessarily very barrier-free, so if you have a large suitcase, you would have trouble and up and down the staircase. So I'm carrying my suitcase this way. So tiring.
The Joshin Dentetsu line connects Takasaki and Shimonita, covering a distance about 34 kilometers. If you're traveling to Tomioka Silk Mill by train, this line is essential. Trains run about twice per hour from Takasaki.
Hi, I just arrived at the Joshu-Tomioka station, and this is the nearest station to a World Heritage Site called Tomioka Silk Mill. It took about 3 hours from Tokyo station, so it is very, very long journey to be here.
Arrival at Joshu-Tomioka station. Joshu-Tomioka station was renovated when Tomioka Silk Mill was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The station itself is quite simple, but it has everything you need. There is an unmanned tourist information area, vending machines, and lockers for luggage. I arrived with a large suitcase, and luckily the staff at the ticket gate offer paid luggage storage.
Hi, I'm at the Tomioka Joshu station. I think it is very handy. I could leave my suitcase at the station site office, and then this is my baggage claim tag. So once I finish watching everything, seeing everything, I come here, pick my suitcase up, and then going to the next destination. It is very, very good system.
Since it was around lunchtime when I arrived, I stopped by a small cafe in a renovated warehouse near the station. It felt like the perfect place to take a short break, so I ordered a light meal, coffee and croissant before heading out to explore. Walking through the town. The walk to Tomioka Silk Mill takes you through the town. Even though the mill became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the town itself feels quiet and a bit low on energy.
Tomioka Silk Mill is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the prefecture of Gunma in Japan. This place showcases the industrial revolution of Japan, and then some of the old buildings are preserved for over 100 years. In this site, you can see the process of a silk mill and how to make a silk out of cocoons. This is a very cultural heritage site in Japan.
Introduction to Tomioka Silk Mill. Here is the overall view of Tomioka Silk Mill. Famous as one of the key sites of Japan's Industrial Revolution, Tomioka Silk Mill represents an important chapter in the country's history. Tomioka Silk Mill operates as a silk reeling factory from 1872 until its closure in 1987. What makes the site especially remarkable is that many of these buildings remain preserved in their original form. Within the complex, there are cocoon warehouses, silk reeling factories, workers' dormitories, and other supporting facilities. Conclusion. Tomioka Silk Mill remains a powerful symbol of Japan's rapid modernization and industrial growth. For those interested in history, architecture, or Japan's industrial heritage, it's a destination well worth exploring. Mike Kobayashi, UNESCO World Heritage Site in Japan, Tomioka Silk Mill.